In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a search bar on your Wix website. So let's get started with that right away. So you want to go to your Wix website and go into the editor section. Then once you're here, all you need to do is take a look at these, and then you want to click on add apps. Okay, so click on that, and then you're going to go to the Wix app market, which I'll just do right now. And then we're going to install an app that we can use to actually do this. Okay, so funnily enough, it's already appearing right there, but if it's not appearing right there, all you need to do is search for a search bar. I'm not sure why my caps lock is activated, but there you go. Okay, so this is the extension / app that you need. Click on add and then click on add to site, and then it's gonna send you over here. Click on allow and add. Okay, there you go. Now that's step number one. Step number two is actually quite easy. So once you install that, you can see that right now the site search bar is loading, and once that's loaded, all you need to do is drag it over to where you actually want to use it. So this is not even like a proper website. I don't actually have a website for this channel, but I just created this to play around. And as you can see right there, you can now see the search site box. So you can make that bigger if you want to. Pretty much place it wherever you want the search bar to be. Now, just like that, you can then click on save. You can then click on preview and publish and all of that. But that's how you can add. Okay, so let me just click on done. But that's how you can add a search bar on your website. So if I click on preview, is now opening, you can see right there search site, and that's how you can add a search bar on Wix. This is one of the easiest ways to do this. So if you appreciate this quick tutorial, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that. If you have any questions about this, feel free to let me know in the comment section down below. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.